Is it good or yes? Why do you look sad? Okay, welcome to this first video in the mini-series about the coupon feature. The first coupon I will build is a coupon that will increase retention of my existing users. Let me show you how to build it. First, I navigate to the coupons page that's in the settings menu. I create a new coupon. This coupon is called Loyal Customers. And I want to reward my loyal customers with a fixed amount of 50 Danish kroners. I want it to be covering all my locations and all my users on those locations. And I want the trigger to be every time the user spends 300 kroners. I can also decide if I want to give this coupon upfront or if it should be after they spent 300 kroners. Yeah. Then I create the coupon, and over in my app now, for all the users of my laundries, I will now have a coupon that's called Loyal Customers. Can you see it? Brilliant. And it says qualified soon. So once I've used 300 Danish kroners, I will get 50 kroners in coupon value. Yeah. Brilliant. What a take. That was the first coupon in our little mini-series about the new coupon feature. See you in the next video. Unless you get bored.